How to know if someone blocked you or deleted their account on Instagram. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to know if someone blocked you or deleted their account on Instagram. Watch the video till the end and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, launch Instagram app on a device. Now, you have to tap on the chat icon at top right corner of the screen. You can easily access someone's profile from your chat section or simply you can use the search icon at bottom left corner and find the username of that user. So, now open the particular chat and head towards their profile at top of the screen. As you can see that instead of their particular username, we are able to see the Instagram user. So it's a sign that they might have blocked you. Simply let's visit their profile tapping view profile at top right corner. So currently we are not able to see any of their post followers or details. So might be they likely blocked you. But to confirm you simply need to open a web browser and now you need to simply tap and type in instagram.com slash their username. And then you need to simply search for their ID. So if their profile loads, then you need to be confirmed that they have just blocked you. If you can't find their profile at all, they have likely deleted their account. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.